Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to declare that our appearance at ANUGA 2019 has been a great success. At the show, we have opened up more markets, we appointed more dealers, and we sold an exciting number of machines. Our one-shot pod dispensers require no sanitizing. They are easy to operate, they have low operating costs, and they are highly scalable, which is ideal for national account rollout programs with low capital expenditure and an unbelievably fast payback. Our mission is to liberate the world from the soft-serve sanitizing process, and as you can see, we're doing a pretty good job.